Today's video focuses on percentage. I can still remember when I was a student, pupil in nursery school, in primary school, and my secondary school, I did not understand percentage. Seriously, I did not understand percentage. So now that I understand percentage, I want to make you understand too, because this percentage of a thing is very simple. Welcome to MathKub. I always tell my students the meaning of percentage. Percentage means all over 100 divided by 100. Finish. To some extent, I like chemistry. If you use chemistry approach, you understand percentage very well. You know that 100% means 1. 100% means 100 divided by 100. So percentage means whatever percent means that number divided by 100. Do you understand? For example, 50% means what? 50 divided by 100. Now let's do this. 50% of 200. 50% of 200 means what? That 200 alone means 100%. Then what will make 50%? Or let's come back again. If 100% is 200, now what will be 50%? Do you understand? So you now do what? You cross multiply. If 200 is equal to 100%, right, then what will be equal to 50%? When you cross multiply, you now say 50 times 200, right? 50 times 200 divided by 100. When you now divide by 100, you now have that number will now be what? 200 times 50 divided by 100. Then your 100, the two zeros will cancel the two zeros. Then you now do what? You multiply 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is what? 10. Then 50% of 200 will be what? 100. Thank you. That is just very simple. You use chemistry format and you understand it. Very simple.